You're not unattractive. You're just carrying 5 hidden flaws that are quietly killing your potential. Look at this guy. He completely transformed his appearance in just 12 months. Today, women can't stop staring. No surgery, no genetics change, no magic. He just fixed 5 mistakes that most men ignore every single day. And the scary part? You might be doing them right now. Let's break them down. 1. Face fat. Look at the first photo. Bloated face. No jawline, no structure, no presence. But in the second photo, sharp, defined, masculine. That's not better genetics. That's the power of losing face fat. Most men never see their real face because it's hidden under fat and bloating. The fix is simple. Lift weights. Do cardio. Eat high-protein foods like eggs, chicken, lentils, fish. Remove junk and processed food. Once your body leans out, your face transforms too. And that's when you start looking truly attractive. 2. Hormones. Your hormones control how you look, feel, and grow. When your testosterone levels are high, your jawline appears sharper, your muscles grow faster, and your body looks stronger. But when it's low, you look softer, tired, and less confident. And sadly, many men today have low testosterone. Why? Because they sleep late scrolling social media, sit all day, and eat too much processed food. Fix it naturally. Train heavy. Squats, pull-ups, deadlifts. Eat zinc and protein-rich foods. Avoid processed junk, and stop heating food in plastic. When your hormones improve, your entire appearance changes. 3. Frame. When I say frame, I mean your shoulder width. Look at the second photo. Notice how his shoulder-to-head ratio looks balanced and strong. That wide frame instantly makes you look sharper and more masculine. Wide shoulders plus sharp jawline create elite combination. Stop only training arms. Build your shoulders and back. Exercises like lateral raises, pull-ups, and overhead presses build that broad V shape. 4. Grooming. You can destroy your looks with bad grooming. It's not about being fancy, it's about being clean and sharp. Keep your beard clean and shaped. A messy beard makes your face look dull, while a clean beard enhances your jawline. Tidy your eyebrows slightly. Just remove extra hair and keep them natural. Improve your smile. Use whitening toothpaste or strips. A brighter smile makes you look more confident and approachable. Take care of your lips with a lip balm, preferably with SPF, and choose a hairstyle that suits your face shape. A good haircut can change your entire look. 5. Consistency. This is where 90% of men fail, not because they can't, but because they quit too early. They start going to the gym, eat clean for a few days, then stop. But consistency beats intensity. You don't need to look like a celebrity. You just need to become the best version of you. You may not see results immediately, but give it a few weeks and you'll start noticing changes. Stay disciplined. Real transformations don't happen in one day. They happen through daily effort repeated over time. These 5 fixes can completely change your face and presence. But if you really want to maximize your masculinity, confidence, and natural growth, then your testosterone levels matter more than you think. I made a full video explaining how to naturally boost testosterone the right way. Watch my next video where I explain it in detail. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.